If you want to enhance your security on Revolut by removing old devices from your account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account stays secure. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Navigate to the profile section, usually found in the top left corner. From there, select Security to access your security settings. Step 3. View authorized devices. In the security settings, look for an option that says Authorized Devices or Managed Devices. Tap on it to see a list of devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Review the list of devices and identify the ones you want to remove. Tap on the device you wish to disconnect from your account. Step 5. Confirm removal. Follow the prompts to confirm the removal of the selected device. Once confirmed, the device will no longer have access to your Revolut account. By following these steps, you can easily manage and remove all devices from your Revolut security settings, ensuring your account remains secure.